बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप लोग? हाउ आर यू ऑल? Okay, how was the exam? Have you all written the exam? Most of the students didn't send the paper. Please send the snapshot of the exam paper. Okay, and submit it on Saturday, before Saturday, tomorrow. You have to submit it on school. Okay, my dear kids, those who didn't finish still, please do it and send it. Okay, my dear kids. Okay, today before the exam we were started one new lesson, right? Lesson 4, Divanon ki Hasti. Means the poet himself, he is saying him as a mad person. Like the Divano means those who are making the others happy by entertaining. So here what is the nature of Divano, what are they are doing? So most of them in this world, it is there those who is giving happiness for others. Okay, they will be sharing even happiness, even sadness. They will be sharing from others. That is explaining in this lesson. So 3 paras we finished, right? So we are going to start the 4th para. Okay, my dear kids, all take your textbook, page number 20. 4th para. Above that you should write today's date. What is the date today? 6/11/2020 and day Shukravar. Write on the up of it. Okay, my dear kids, use pencil in the textbook. Please don't use pen on the textbook. Okay, my dear kids. Okay, I'm going to read. Please listen carefully and read with me. Okay. Okay. दो बात कही, दो बात सुनी, कुछ हंसे और फिर कुछ रोए, चखकर सुख दुख के घूंटों को हम एक भाव से पिए चले. दो बात कही, दो बात सुनी means that poet is telling here that those who are coming and entertaining us, they will come and do what? They will come and do some. They will come and say something. Isn't दो बात कही? दो बात means two matters. Means not simply they are telling two matters. They will come and say something and they will hear from us also. They won't only say something. Whatever we are saying, that also they'll hear. So दो बात कही, they will say something. दो बात सुनी, they will hear also some words from us. कुछ हंसे और फिर कुछ रोए. Sometimes they will be smiling, they will be laughing, and sometimes they will be sad, because while hearing they will entertain us and they will happy, isn't it? And also the happiness also they'll share with us. I mean, our happiness also they'll get it from us. Then what happen if the sadness also is there, even they will get it, and they will uh, they will they will be sad by hearing our sadness and all. So they like that. छक कर सुख दुख के कोंडों को हम एक भाव से पिए चले. After that, what happened? Sukh dukha in our life, both are there, isn't it? Or not only happiness is there, not only sadness is there, both is there. Sadness also there, happiness also there. Even it is only sadness means that is not life. Even it is only happiness means also that is not life. So both is there only, it will be like a real life. So he that entertaining person, what he is doing, he is sukh dukh ke khondo ko, even the sip of the sukh dukh, happiness and also sadness, hum ek bhav se piye chale. We will take the sips of sukh and happiness and sadness together, and we will drink and go. Like water, it is he is comparing that as the water. We will together, we will share that, and we will okay, my dear, we will take care of that. Like that they are telling. Okay, chakkar sukh dukho ke khundon ko, we will together, we will do everything. We like though others happiness, by seeing others sadness, we will go from there. That is not good. By seeing the sadness also, happiness also, we have to, they have to, they, if they like means they can share with us, or we can do something favor for them. So we have to be with them even in the sadness also, not only in the happiness. Okay. देन नेक्स्ट पैरा, हम फिक मंगों की दुनिया में स्वच्छंद लुटाकर प्यार चले, हम एक निशानी सी ओर पर ले असफलता का फार चले। हम फिक मंगों की दुनिया में स्वच्छंद लुटाकर प्यार चले, हम एक निशानी सी ओर पर ले असफलता का फार चले। हम फिक मंगों मीन्स व्हाट? बेगर्स, beggars. My phone complained. Okay, so beggars, you know the beggars, beggars, right there. Okay, my dear kids, phone I can't write. Okay, so that only I first para I didn't write anything, so try to write. See, kondom in the first para. Kondom means sip, sip, sip. Chakkar means after. Okay, then here in this फिक मंगो means beggars. हम फिक मंगो की दुनिया means what? World. Okay, try to write with me. Okay, my dear kids, I can't write in this because of my font touch problem is there, so you have to write whatever I am telling. Okay, my dear kids, हम फिक मंगों की दुनिया में, in this world what is there? Nothing, no love is there, isn't it? Everyone are running here and there to get money, isn't it? They are very busy to earn money. Not only love is there, no. See, most of them we are seeing that most of the house before and all joint family was there, isn't it? Nowadays nothing is there, only one father, mother, two kids or one kid, like that only. No grandparents, only one or two houses only grandparents will be there, then aunties will be there, cousins will be there. Here nowadays nothing is there, isn't it? One father, mother, then two kids, like that only it's there. So there no love is there, like what in between them only it will be, not for others also it is there, isn't it? We have to be love, we give love for others, not only money. Money today it will come and tomorrow it will go, but love we are giving, it won't die, isn't it? So हम फिकमंगों की दुनिया में, फिकमंगों why it is telling like that this world is like a beggar, means it is begging to get love. This world is begging to get love. So what we have to do? स्वच्छंद लुटाकर प्यार चले. We have to avoid that adamant character. We avoid that adamant character, and we have to live very lovable, isn't it? We have to spread everywhere love, like that. हम एक निशानी सी ओर पर ले असफलता का पार चले, means we can't give even a simple sign, like failure it is coming also, that also we have to we should not feel that it is a burden. If it is failing also, we should not drop we should not give up. We should not give up when we are failing in that. Asafalata means failure. If we are failing in anything, means we should not be give up from that. We should face it with confidence. So like that only. So this world is begging for getting love. We have to give love. We should हम एक निशानी सी उर पर ले असफलता का फार चले, means if we are failing also, we should not give up. We have to go forward. नेक्स्ट पैरा व्हाट? अब अपना और पराया क्या आबाद रहे रुकने वाले, हम स्वयं बंधे थे और स्वयं हम अपने बंधन तोड़ चले, मीन्स अब अपना पराया क्या, वी शुड नॉट कीप लाइक ओनली आवर्स इज देयर, और अपना और पराया क्या, अब अपना और पराया. नाउ वी आर स्प्रेडिंग लव, मीन्स दैट आवर्स इज आवर्स एंड others, we and them, like that we should not, all are one, all are one. We should be unique, we should be unite. Okay, we should be unite. Like अब अपना और पराया क्या, अपना means ours. We should not like this thing is mine, that thing is mine, this thing is there. Like that we should not say. That everyone have to live together with love. आबाद रहे रुकने वाले, आबाद रहे रुकने वाले, stay what, independently you live, don't want to give up. Okay, whatever problems come in our life, we should face it with confidence. हम स्वयं बंधे थे और स्वयं हम अपने बंधन तोड़ चले. We are tied in our words, problems and all, but we have to break that chain and we have to come forward. Like that, हम स्वयं बंधे थे, we are tied in the problems and all. So स्वयं हम अपने बंधन तोड़, we can break the chain. If we have confidence, means we can break the chain and we have to come forward. So what is the content in this lesson is, we have to spread happiness everywhere. Not only money, if we are giving money means they will be happy, like that, and we should not. We have to give love to others. We have to, whatever they are telling, we have to hear that. If it is sad or happiness, anything, we have to give happiness to them also. Okay, we have to spread happiness everywhere. We have to spread love everywhere. Okay, my dear kids, that is the lesson. Okay, then that fourth lesson finished. Then we have to go for the notes. Okay, this one is the screen photo shoot only. I'll take type and send the notes for you to copy. Okay, my dear kids. Okay, what is the lesson's title? Part 4, दीवानों की हस्ती. Okay, अर्थ. What is the first Roman letter? अर्थ. First one hasti. Nature. Hasti, nature. Alam, world. Ullas, happy. Khundo, sips. Fikmango, beggars. Nisani, sign. Nisani, both is same. Sign. Nisani means sign. Once more, hasti, nature. Alam, world. Ullas, happy. Khundo, sips. Fikmango, beggars. Nisani, sign. Okay, then question answer, प्रश्न और उत्तर. फर्स्ट वन, दीवाने लोगों के लिए क्या कामना करते हैं? दीवाने लोग, what they are wishing, that दीवाना, that mad persons, what they are wishing. दीवाने लोगों के लिए कामना करते हैं कि जहाँ भी रहे हंसी खुशी भरा जीवन बिताए. What they are thinking about others. Okay, what they are thinking about the other people. What they are thinking. दीवाने लोगों के लिए कामना करते हैं कि जहाँ भी रहे हंसी खुशी भरा जीवन बिताए. Wherever we are living, we have to live happiness. We have to live happiness. We have to fill our life with the happiness. That is only that answer. दीवाने लोगों के लिए क्या कामना करते हैं? दीवाने लोगों के लिए कामना करते हैं कि जहाँ भी रहे हंसी खुशी भरा जीवन बिताए. We have to spread happiness everywhere in the life and live. Then second one, कवि ने दुनिया को कैसा बताया है और क्यों? कवि, what the poet is telling about the world, why he told like that. कवि ने दुनिया को कैसा बताया है और क्यों? What the poet has told about the world and why he said. कवि ने दुनिया को भिखमंगा बताया है. He told the world as the beggar, isn't it? Why? क्योंकि यहाँ हम लोग सिर्फ लेना ही जानते हैं, देना नहीं. Here only getting, the people knows to get it only, they don't know to give. लेना ही जानते हैं. लेना means to get, देना means to give. So in this world the people knows only to get it, they don't know to give, isn't it? So they are telling, so Kavi, the poet, is telling that this world is a beggars, because it is not giving, the people are not giving anything to the world, they are getting from the world only. What they are getting? Money, isn't it? They are getting from the world only, they are not giving anything to the world. So it is telling that the world is a beggar. Okay, then third Roman letter, Hindi Artha. Hindi Artha synonyms. First one, Hasti. Hasti means we learned nature, Astitva. Astitva. Hasti, Astitva. Hasti, Astitva. Then second one, Alam. Alam means Dunya, world. Alam, Dunya. Alam, Dunya. Okay, then fourth Roman letter. Fourth Roman letter, Vilom Shabd. Fourth Roman letter what? Vilom Shabd means opposite. Okay, first one, Yaham. Yaham means here, Vaham, there. Yaham, here, Vaham, there. Second one, Aaj, today. Aaj, today. Kal, tomorrow or yesterday. Kal means tomorrow or yesterday. Aaj means today. Then third one, Aaye, came. Chale, went. Okay, came, went. So Aya, Chala will come. So here it is the past tense. So Aaye, came. Chale, went. Diye, get, got. Diye means got. They got, they get it from. Liye, what? No, diye means give. Okay, given. Diye means given. Liye means only got. Okay, diye means given. Liye means got. Okay, then hase. Hase means laugh. Roye, cry. Hase, roye. Then last one, apna, paraya. Apna means ours. Paraya means others. First one, yaham, here. Vaham, there. Aaj, today. Kal, tomorrow or yesterday. I, for tomorrow or yesterday, both kal we will say. Okay, my dears. Then Aaye, came. Chale, went. Diye, given. Liye, got. Hase, smile or laugh. Roye, cry. Apna, ours. Paraya, others. Okay, my dear kids, this the notes. This I'll send in the PDF. Copy it and send it to me in the WhatsApp. Okay, my dear kids, first that lesson also you read. Okay, whatever doubt is there, you can ask me in the Zoom interaction meeting. Okay, my dear kids, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.